Wiring money abroad.
I need to wire money.
Where is it going?
To Mexico, please.
How much are you sending?
$500.
What is the recipient's name?
Maria Lopez.
Thank you for that.
Do you need her account?
Yes, please provide that.
Here it is.
Thank you. One moment.
How much is the fee?
$25 total.
That seems reasonable.
It covers the transfer.
How long will it take?
1 to 2 days.
That works for me.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
Keep this for your records.
I will, thank you.
Any other transfers needed?
No, that was it.
Great. Glad I could help.
I appreciate your help.
You are very welcome.
Is there a transfer limit?
Yes, 10,000 daily.
Good to know, thanks.
Happy to explain.
Can I track the transfer?
Yes, with this number.
I will save that.
Great. Keep it safe.
What about mistakes, though?
Contact us right away.
I will remember that.
We will help immediately.
That is reassuring, thank you.
We want this smooth.
I really appreciate that.
Anytime you need help.
Can I send more later?
Yes, anytime you like.
Good to know, thanks.
We are here for you.
This was easier than expected.
Glad we could simplify it.
Thank you for your patience.
Of course. Happy to help.
Do you offer text alerts?
Yes, for every transfer.
Thanks for everything.
You are very welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too. Take care.
Disputing a bank charge? I see an unknown charge.
Let me look into that.
Thank you for checking.
What is the amount?
$45.
When did this happen?
2 days ago.
I see the charge now.
What store is that from?
An online retailer. Actually,
I never made that purchase.
we will investigate this now.
Thank you so much.
I will file a dispute.
How long does that take?
About 10 business days.
That sounds reasonable.
We will refund you. Meanwhile,
That is a relief.
you will see it soon.
I appreciate that so much.
We take this seriously.
Thank you for understanding.
Of course, we are here.
Should I cancel my card?
That might be wise.
I will do that now.
A new card is coming.
How long will that take?
5 business days, typically.
I can wait for that.
Great, thank you.
Will old charges still work?
No, that card is blocked.
Good, that is safer.
Yes, definitely safer.
Thanks for the quick help.
Happy to help you.
This was stressful, honestly.
I understand completely.
You made it easier, though.
Glad to hear that.
I really appreciate your patience.
Anytime, that is my job.
You are very good, honestly.
Thank you for saying that.
I mean, it truly...
That means a lot.
Should I check statements often?
Yes, that would help.
I will start doing that.
Good habit, honestly.
Any tips to avoid this?
Watch for unfamiliar merchants.
I will remember that.
Glad to share that tip.
Thanks for everything.
You are very welcome.
Take care.
You too. Goodbye.
Disputing a bank charge? I lost my debit card.
Sorry to hear that.
Can you block it now?
Yes, right away.
Thank you so much.
When did you lose it?
Sometime this morning.
Where were you exactly?
At the grocery store.
I will block it immediately.
I really appreciate that.
It is blocked now.
That is a relief.
Any unauthorized charges to report?
No, nothing unusual.
Good. That helps a lot.
When comes the new card?
Within 5 business days.
I can wait. Thank you.
It will arrive by mail.
Good to know. Thanks.
Do you need cash meanwhile?
Yes, that would help.
I can issue temporary cash.
That sounds helpful.
How much do you need?
$100, please.
I will process that now.
Thank you very much.
Here is your cash.
I appreciate your help.
Happy to help you.
Should I update my address?
Only if it changed.
No, same address.
Great. No changes needed.
Good to know. Thanks.
Anytime you need help.
This felt less stressful, honestly.
Glad we could help quickly.
Thank you for the speed.
We understand the urgency.
I really appreciate that.
Anytime. That is our job.
You did a great job.
Thank you for saying that.
I mean, it truly...
That means a lot.
Should I check my balance?
Yes, that would help.
I will check it daily.
Smart move, honestly.
Any tips for next time?
Keep your card somewhere safe.
I will remember that.
Glad to help you.
Thanks for everything.
You are very welcome.
Bye for now.
Take care. You too.
Exchanging foreign currency. I need to exchange currency.
Which currency do you need?
Euros, please.
How much do you need?
$300 worth?
Let me check the rate.
Thank you for checking.
The rate is good today.
That is great to hear.
That equals 200 euros.
That sounds reasonable.
Any other questions so far?
Is there a fee?
Yes, $5 flat.
I understand. Thank you.
Would you like small bills?
Yes, please.
I will prepare that.
Thank you very much.
Here's your exchange.
Thank you so much.
Please count it, please.
It looks correct.
Great, glad it matches.
Other currencies available to
Yes, many options here.
Good to know, thanks.
Happy to help you.
Is there a daily limit?
Yes, $5,000.
That is plenty for me.
Glad that works.
Can I exchange back later?
Yes, anytime you like.
Good to know, thanks.
We are here to help.
This process was quick.
We try to be efficient.
I noticed, honestly,
That means a lot.
thank you for your help.
Happy to help you.
This was easy, thank you.
Glad we could help.
Do you buy currency back?
Yes, at the current rate.
Good to know, thanks.
Happy to explain that.
Does the rate change daily?
Yes, it changes often.
I understand, thank you.
We update it each morning.
That makes sense?
Any other currency needed?
No, just euros today.
Great, all set then.
Thanks for everything.
You are very welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too, safe travels.
I want to close it.
May I ask why?
I am moving abroad.
I understand completely.
Thank you for understanding.
Any remaining balance to move?
Yes, some money left.
Would you like it transferred?
Yes, please.
To which account?
My new bank, actually,
I will need those details.
here they are.
Thank you. One moment.
I appreciate your patience.
Almost done here.
Take your time.
The transfer is processing now.
How long will that take?
1 business day, typically.
That works for me.
Your account is now closed.
Thank you for your help.
You are very welcome.
Should I return my card?
Yes, please, cut it up.
I will do that now.
Thank you for that.
Will I get a confirmation?
Yes, by email today.
Good to know, thanks.
Happy to help you.
This was simple, honestly.
Glad it went smoothly.
I appreciate the help.
Anytime. That is our job.
You made this easy.
Thank you for saying that.
I mean, it truly...
That means a lot.
Any final steps needed?
No, everything is complete.
Good to know, thanks.
We wish you well.
Thank you so much.
Good luck abroad.
I appreciate that.
Safe travels. Truly.
Will I get a statement?
Yes, mailed to you.
Good to know, thanks.
Happy to help you.
Any fees for closing?
No, this is free.
That is good to hear.
Glad it helps.
Thanks for everything.
You're very welcome.
Good luck with everything.
Thank you. Goodbye.